So we just reached a big milestone, mining Bitcoin on GoMining. We're going to talk about it. I will tell you what my plans are for the future with GoMining, and we're going to do a quick little upgrade so we can make even more passive Bitcoin. So let's quickly talk about where we are right now. And by the end of this video, we're going to reach that milestone. All right, so when we go over to my dashboard, you will see that I currently have 5 miners. I recently purchased this one right here simply because of the low efficiency, 15. My goal is to get all of these to 20 efficiency. I started upgrading the efficiency on this one, and I will be upgrading it again as well. So when we scroll up, you will see that my power right now is 16.88 terahashes. My efficiency is 22, and I currently have 5 miners. When we check out more details, you will see the total breakdown, and you will see since April we pretty much started mining once again, started upgrading, investing more, and our daily payouts are constantly increasing, and we are making more and more Bitcoin, and our power is increasing as well. So when we scroll down, you will see that right now I am making 908 satoshis every single day, which equals out to be around 96 cents a day. So we are almost at that dollar mark, but we're going to do an upgrade later in this video, and we're going to go over $1 a day. So as you can see, every couple of days I'm either upgrading and I'm constantly increasing my Bitcoin payout. So let's go over back to the mining farm, and let's do a quick upgrade. We are going to upgrade this one right here simply because it has the best return. As you can see, we are getting almost 3 terahashes of power for only 39 bucks, and the ROI is over 71%. When we see the details, this is how much extra Bitcoin we are going to be making. It is about 8 extra cents. That will put us over $1 a day, which is my goal for this video. So we are going to press next. We are going to go over to crypto, but as you can see, you can pay with your Visa, your MasterCard, Apple Pay, Google Pay. So you can literally start mining Bitcoin whenever you want. I do have a link for GoMining in the description box below. Make sure you check it out. Make sure you use that promo code so you can get some cash back. All right, so let's go over to crypto. That is what we will be using. We are going to be using the GoMining tokens since we have 101 of them, and this upgrade will cost us 95 tokens, which will leave us with about 5 tokens left. But we are going to press pay. It is going to ask us to confirm, and within a couple of seconds it will go through and our miner is upgraded. As you can see right now, we only have 6.69 GoMining tokens, and our power has jumped up to 7.98, which is not bad at all. As you can see right now, our total power went from 16 and some change to 19.86. Our efficiency did go up a little bit, but we are going to bring that down in the next upgrade. Also, our discount went down as well. Now we'll be making a little more Bitcoin. Over time, these profits are going to add up and we'll be making even more. So we have officially just reached our goal of making $1 a day mining Bitcoin. I think it is about $1.05, but that will definitely grow over time. And eventually we are going to get to $5 a day, $10 a day, and maybe even higher. That is when the money starts rolling in. Right now, it is the difficult part of investing, waiting, accumulating, growing our miners, upgrading them. But eventually, we are going to make some decent passive income mining Bitcoin. All right, so my goal for the next month is very simple. I plan on getting this miner right here all the way down to 20 efficiency. Right now it is 27.94. I want to get it in the low 20s and possibly even 20 even. That is my goal. After I achieve that, I will upgrade this miner. This one has the lowest efficiency but the lowest power, only 1.19 terahashes. I will be upgrading this one to get it to about 345 terahashes. That is my goal for the next month. Hopefully that will increase our profits and bring us up to $1.50, maybe even $2 a day. Obviously, mining Bitcoin is not going to make us rich overnight, but this is slow and steady. As you guys know, slow and steady wins the race, and that is what I plan on doing with GoMining, continually upgrading and making more in the long term. The goal is to accumulate Bitcoin for the long term. I believe Bitcoin is definitely here to stay, and I think in the future it will be worth a lot more than what it is now, especially right now when a lot of world currencies are slowly edging lower and lower. Inflation is still around, it is not going anywhere, and it will probably ramp up in the future. And in my opinion, Bitcoin is one of the best hedges against inflation. Also, if you have seen my other videos, you would know that I'm trying to build a Bitcoin mining farm using Tesla batteries and solar. So if you want to follow along and watch me grow this GoMining account and make some real passive income, also watch me build my actual mining setup in real life, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button. If you have any questions, drop those in the comment section below. If you want to give GoMining a try, make sure you use that link below. Start mining some Bitcoin, start accumulating. That is it. See you in the next video. Peace out.